Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ENCHE upgraded robot vacuum cleaner with 3500 PA power suction, model HK803, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Effortless pet hair cleanup with 550 ml dust collector. Tired of dealing with pet hair? This robot vacuum combo features a 550 ml large dust collector, a brushless suction design, and a high-performance motor to eliminate hair tangles. It effortlessly captures pet fur, dust, and debris, ensuring your floors remain impeccably clean. Perfect for pet-friendly homes, it guarantees a hair-free, mess-free environment with every clean. Unique brushless suction port. Robot vacuum powered by a strong digital motor provides ultra-powerful suction. With a maximum of 3500 PA and a lower setting of 2900 PA. The unique brushless suction structure ensures that pet hair and dirt go into the dustbin easily. Unlike roller brushes, suction does not entangle hair, making it ideal for pet owners. Anti-collision and anti-fall technology. Say goodbye to bumps and falls. This robot vacuum uses advanced sensors to avoid furniture, walls, and stairs, ensuring a smooth cleaning experience. It can even tackle slopes up to 15 degrees, making it ideal for both hard floors and low-pile carpets. Long battery life with auto charging. Get up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning on low suction mode, perfect for covering large areas, up to 1,300 square feet. Note, in low suction running mode, when the battery runs low, this robot vacuum cleaner automatically returns to its dock to recharge, so it's always ready for the next job. Notes. Place the charging dock in an open area with minimal obstacles to ensure the robotic vacuum can easily locate and return to the dock for recharging. Multiple cleaning modes for every need. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, everyday messes, or dusty edges, this robot vacuum has you covered. Choose from manual, spot, edge, or auto mode, all conveniently controlled by the included remote. It's the ultimate hassle-free cleaning solution for busy homes. Notes, the vacuum cleaner must be power on before the remote control can be used. Press the button several seconds to power off. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.